COVID-19 crisis has changed the way we live and work. Keeping our public spaces clean and safe has become more important than ever. But traditional cleaning methods are no longer enough. Ineffective manual practices and increased costs are making it harder to keep up. Enter UltraSanic, the smart disinfection platform that protects you and your loved ones from infectious viruses and pathogens. Powered by hypochlorous acid, a safe, non-toxic EPA, CDC, and FDA-approved disinfectant, UltraSanic's ultra-fine mist kills 99% of airborne bacteria and viruses, including norovirus and SARS-CoV-2. With UltraSanic's quality air foggers, you can quickly sanitize and disinfect your entire workspace from ceiling to floor and every surface in between, saving you time and giving you peace of mind. UltraSanic, protecting your world, one mist at a time.